Okay, so today we are going to start lesson 5, which is about ratio applications or the rates.
Okay.
Okay, uh, a simple example about this rates. If the car, okay, travels 300 kilometers in 5 hours, okay, so this means the rate or the speed of this car per hour equals 300 kilometers over 5 hours. Okay, so this will equal 60 kilometers over 1 hour, right? So this means it will equal 60 kilometers per hour, like this. So this is the speed of this car or the velocity or the rate of this car. Okay,
Okay.
are we clear about this point?
Okay. Clear.
Okay, okay, great. Just I will solve one example about the rates. A typist types a sheet containing 630 words within 7 minutes. 630 words, okay, in 7 minutes. Okay, find the rate of the typing. Now, rate of the typing will equal 630 over 7, okay? So the rate will equal 630 words like this over 7 minutes. So after simplification, it will equal 90. Then here on the numerator words, so 90 words per minute. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, great. Then one more example. A car covers 280 kilometers, 280 kilometers in 4 hours. Okay, find the speed of this car. Okay, so the speed of the car or the rate of the car will equal 280 kilometers over 4 hours, right?
Right.
So it will equal 70, sorry. So it will equal 70 then kilometers per hours. Okay, so 70 kilometer per hour. Okay, now it's clear?
Yes.
Okay, one more example. If a worker paints a wall of area, the area is 96 square meters in 8 hours. Calculate the rate of performance of the worker. Okay, so the rate of the performance rate will equal 96 square meter over 8 hours. So it will equal 96 over 8 equals what?
96 over 8.
Yes, equals
Um,
12.
Maybe.
So it will equal 12 meters squared per hour. Okay,
Okay.
so
It will
now it's
be
clear?
12. Yes.
Yes, okay. So now, till now we are clear?
Clear.
Okay, great. Then one more example about the rates. An agricultural tractor plows 6 feet dance in 3 hours. Plows 6 feet dance in 3 hours. Okay. Find the rate of the performance of the tractor find the rate, and then if another tractor plows 6 carats in 10 minutes, the other one 6 carats in 10 minutes. Okay, and then which one which one of the two tractors has the better performance? Okay, so the first one, the rate of the first will equal it's 6 feet days and 3 hours. Okay, so it will equal, first I have to convert from feet days into carats, so 6 times 24, so now it becomes in carats. Okay,
Okay.
over 3 hours I will convert it into
Okay.
minutes so that the two ratios will be equivalent, okay, with the same unit, I mean, so that I can compare between them. So 10 minutes, sorry, 3 hours, I will convert it into minutes, so 3 times 60, okay, so it will equal 144 over 180, so it will equal 0.8 carats per minute. So this is the first. The second will equal 6 carats over 10 minutes, so 6 directly over 10, because this one in carats and this one in minutes, so no need to convert anything. So 6 over 10, it will equal 0.6 carats also per minute. So now, which one has the better performance? The first, which plows 0.8, or the second, which plows 0.6? Of course, the first is the better performance, right?
Right.
Okay, now one more example. Which is the better deal for the same kind of pens? For 5.5 pounds or 3 pens for 6.9 pounds? Which one is better here? So I have to get the first one rate and the second one rate. Okay, so the first one, it's 5 pounds for 2 pens, so 5.5
Equal 11
over
over 2.
2, 5.5 over 2, so this is the first deal. Okay,
Yes.
it
11
will
over
equal
2.
2.75 pounds per pen. So this means one pen price is 2.75, and this one 6.9 pounds for 3 pens. So I will get the price for the one pen also 6.9 over 3. So it will equal in this case 2.3 pounds per pen. So right now, if you are in the bookshop, there is one pen for 2.75 and the same pen is 2.3. Which one is better for you? Of course, the cheaper, right?
Right.
So this one is the second. So this means the best deal is 3 pens, okay, for 6.9 pounds. Okay,
Okay.
so the second deal is better. Okay, one more example. A car covers 300 kilometers in 4 hours, and another car covers 65 kilometers in 50 minutes. Which of the two cars are faster? Okay, now here kilometer and kilometer. Okay, that's fine. Hours and minutes. So we have to convert this one into minutes. So the rate for the first car will equal 300 kilometers over 4 times 60 to convert it into minutes, right?
Right.
So it will equal,
Um,
hmm, it will equal 1 point,
five,
hmm,
five, four, 5/4.
okay, 5 over 4, which is 1 point,
1.54.
1.25 kilometers per minute, okay?
Okay.
And the second one equals 65 kilometer over 50. So it will equal, use the calculator to get the result.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
13/10.
13
Yes.
over
13
10,
over 10.
so 1.3 kilometers per minute. Okay, so now which one is faster? First or second? This one 1.25 kilometers per minute, and this one 1.3. So of course the second is faster, right?
Right.
Because its speed is greater than the other one. Okay?
Okay.
So now these points are clear?
Yes.
Okay, very good. So let's solve some questions from the exercise. So I will start with question 3. 1 and 2, choose and complete is very easy. So question 3 in the exercise. A car covers 240 kilometers in 3 hours. Calculate the speed of this car. Okay, so the speed will equal 240 kilometers over 3 hours. So it will equal 80 kilometer per hour. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, then question number 4. A car consumes 35 liters of gas to cover 140, 35 liters to cover 140 kilometers. Calculate the rate of the consumption.
Equal 4.
Okay, so I want to get, just 1 second, I want to get the rate of the consumption of the gas. Okay, so
Okay.
now the rate of consumption, okay, I want to get how many liters per kilometer. So it will equal 35 liters over 140 kilometers. So now it will equal, use the calculator to get the result. It will equal
1/2. It will be 4. 0.4.
0.4. Use
Yes.
the calculator to get it. How 0.4? Sure?
Yes. Yes. 0.25.
0.25.
Yes.
So 0.25. Then liter,
Um, Liter each kilo.
yes, per kilometer. Okay? So this is the consumption. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Then one more example. Question 5. A car consumes 20 liters of benzene to cover a distance of 250 kilometers. Calculate the rate of consumption of benzene. Okay, so the rate of consumption of benzene will equal 20 over 250. So this one is liters and this one is kilometers. So it will equal
One minute.
0.4, I guess.
What?
0.4 or what?
No, 0.08.
Okay, so 0.08. Just 1 second. So it will equal 0.08 liter per
Liter
kilometer.
of each kilometer.
So this is, yes, so this is the rate of the consumption. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, the next question, question number 6. Hassan spends 45 pounds within 3 days. Okay, of course, it will equal 45. The rate will equal 45 pounds over 3 days. So simply it will equal 15 pounds per day.
Pounds. Okay.
Okay, so he spends 15 pounds each day. This is the
Okay.
rate of what Hassan spends per day. Okay, the next question, question 7. A computer colored printer prints 12 papers every 4 minutes. So 12 papers every 4 minutes. Okay, find the rate of printing of this printer. Okay, so the rate, very easy question. 12 papers over 4 minutes.
Equal three. Three papers.
So
Minute.
it will equal 3 papers
Each minute.
exactly per minute. Okay. The next question is question 8. A
Okay.
factory a factory produces 5,000 juice cans in 8 hours. So 5,000 juice cans in 8 hours. Find the production rate. So the production rate will equal
I know.
5,000 over 8.
Equals
So it will
is
equal
625
625
hour.
cans
Uh, Cans of each ounce.
per hour. Okay, cans per hour.
Okay.
Okay, great. More question. A factory produces 7,200 bottles of soft drink in 8 hours. So this is bottles in 8 hours. So simply, what is the rate of production? So the rate will equal
Equal 900.
7,200 over 8. So it will equal
900. Equal 900 bottles of each hour.
exactly 900 bottles per hour. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Then the next question, question 10. A water tap is leaking 20 liters of water, 20 liters in 5 hours. Find the leaking rate of the water per hour. So, and please advise them. Okay. So the rate in hour, 20 liters over 5 hours. So it will equal 4
4.
liters per hour. then please advise them. Okay, so just you have to write fix the leak. Fix the leak, and to be more professional, please. Fix the leak, please. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Then question 11. A ship of transporting goods among countries consumes 25 liters of fuel to cover a distance of 15 kilometers. So 25 liters of fuel to cover distance of 15 kilometers. Calculate the rate of consumption of the fuel. Consumption of the fuel. Okay, so the
5
rate of
over 3.
consumption 25 over 15 liters over kilometers. It's the consumption of fuel. So liters
5
must be
over
on the top.
3.
So it will equal
5
5,
over 3.
5 over 3.
Yes.
Okay, so 5 over 3 liters per kilometer. Okay,
Okay.
okay. Can you convert this one into decimal using the calculator?
Sorry? Convert
Can you convert this one into decimal using the calculator?
Okay. It will be 5 over 3 or 25. Mister.
Hmm. So it will
5
equal?
over 3. It will 5 over
Yes,
3. Okay.
yes.
Okay.
Using the calculator, okay, it will equal like 1.66666 like this. Okay,
Okay.
okay. The next question, question 12. Worker uses 3 gallons okay, of used gallons per each meter. So the rate will equal the rate of gallons. So equals
1 over
3
2.
over 6, which will equal
0.5.
exactly 0.5 gallons gallons per meter squared.
square.
Okay, great. Then the next question, question 13. A car consumes 15 liters of benzene, 15 liters of benzene to cover a distance of 375 kilometers. Another car consumes 17 liters to the same benzene to cover the distance of 340 kilometers. Now the question is which car consumes lower benzene? Okay, then get the first car rate and the second car rate. So the first will equal consumption. So 15 over 15 liters, I mean, over 375 kilometers. So it will equal
It will equal uh,
mhm,
1 minute 0.04.
0.0. Okay, so liters per kilometer. And the other one,
Um,
17 liters over 340 kilometers. So it will equal
It will be 0.05.
0.05 liters per kilometer. Okay, so now which one consumes lower benzene? The first or the second?
The
Of
second.
course, the first. Why the second? The
Huh?
first is 0.04, the second is 0.05. So which one is the smaller consumption of
Okay,
benzene?
0.05.
So
4.
first, the first one
The first.
Okay,
Understand?
are we clear?
Yes, clear.
Okay, great. Okay, now let's start lesson 6. Sorry, lesson 1 on unit 2. So, unit 2, it's about the proportion. So, the first lesson, it's about meaning of proportion. Meaning of proportion actually the proportion meaning equal ratios. This is check what's this one exactly. If there are some numbers like 1 over 2, actually this one equals 2 over 4. Okay, and also it equals 3 over 6. Okay, all these numbers equals 1 over 2. This 1 over 2. This 2 over 2 means also 1 over 2. If I will simplify it, divide the two terms of the ratio by 2. So 2 divided by 2 equal 1. 4 divided by 2 equals 2. This one, 3 over 6, also equal 1 over 2. If I will divide the two terms by 3, so 3 divided by 3 means 1. 6 divided by 3 means 2. So all these ratios are equal. Okay, so this one is a simple example on the proportion. We said that proportion is equality of two or more ratios. Okay, let's check some examples. If there is a numbers inside one table like this, now let me draw it exactly like the question. So 2 and then blank like this, then 8, then one missing number, then 15, then one missing number, and then 1 and 2, and 9, and then 27. Now in this one, here we dividing by 2, and here we multiply by 2. Okay, now here in this example, okay, it's a proportion or some given ratios which are equal. On the left side, I divide the number by 2. So this means, okay, of course, when I divide the number on the top by 2, this means I multiply the number on the bottom by 2. Okay? So
Okay.
division and the multiplication on the two sides with the same number. If I'm dividing by 2, so I multiply by 2. If I multiply by 2, so this means I divided the other term by 2. Okay?
Okay.
So this means now 2 divided by 1 equal 1. This 2 on the bottom, this 2 here, okay, it's actually it's multiplied by 2. Look at the arrow direction here. 2 is divided by 2 according to the arrow direction. So it equal 1. Now this 2, okay, it's on the opposite side of this direction. So check the other one. Yes, this direction of the arrow. So I will multiply it by 2. So this means 2 multiplied by 2 here means 4. So the number here will be 4. Okay, this number here on the top is 8. Okay, so 8 is divided.
will
Okay,
be
I'm
10.
dividing the numbers on the top and multiplying the numbers on the bottom according to the arrow direction. So 8 divided by 2 means that this one is 4.
4.
This 9 is multiplied by 2, so 18. 15 divided by 2, 7.5. 27 multiplied by 2, 54, and so on. Okay? Now this one is clear?
Yes.
Okay, great. Then let's solve one more. One more like this. I'm going to clear these numbers and I will write down another numbers here. So these numbers are 2 and 6, and then 5 and 4 and 1 over 2, and then 45, and then 1.2, and then 10. The question is given like this, okay?
Okay.
They didn't mention in the question they will multiply here, but multiply by what? I don't know. And here also divide by what? I don't know. It's just dots. Okay, now I can check it easily from any field of the table which contains the two numbers. So here, two numbers means 2 and 6, right?
Right.
So now on the top it's 2 and it was multiplied by a number so that it becomes 6. So this means we multiplied it by 3.
No.
Okay, so here we will multiply by 3. So now we multiply by 3. Then this means we divide by
3.
also 3. Exactly. So this number 2 times 3 equals 6. Okay, now 5. 5 is multiplied by 3, 15. 4.2 multiplied by 3, it will equal 13 and 1 over 2. 45, now it's this one on the bottom, so it's divided by 3. 45 by
15.
3 means 15.
15.
1.2 multiplied by 3. Okay, so
3.6.
3.6. 10 divided by 3. 3 and 1
3
over 3.
1 over 3.
Exactly. So now this one is clear?
Yes.
Okay, great. One more example. Okay, in this question, the numbers are 1 and 5, and then 9, and then 30, and then 7 and 2, and then 20. Okay, as I said, I have to check one field, okay, which contains the numerator and the denominator. Two numbers, one on the top and one on the bottom. So this one, 1 over 5, right? So now 1 was multiplied by a number, so it becomes 5. Okay, so this means it was multiplied by 5, of course.
5.
Okay, how can I get it? Okay, then 5 divided by 1, also it will come 5. So now here we multiply by 5. So this means we divide by 5. Okay, I said that the two numbers on the two sides are the same. Now 9 multiplied by 5, 45. 30 divided by 5, so 6. 7 multiplied by 5, 35. 2 multiplied by 5. I'm going with the same direction with the arrow. Okay, 2 multiplied by 5, 10. 20 divided by 5, so 4. That's it. Now, is it clear?
Yes.
Okay, great. One more example like this one on the exercise. So now exercise 6. Okay, on the first question,
Okay.
on the exercise, I'm going to solve number question 1, letter B. Okay, so here 2 and 12, and then 5, and then 36, and now here also 8, and then 60. Okay, 245, 245. Yes, this one, it's not here. Okay, so now we will check again the term which contains the numerator and the denominator. So where is that one? It's 2 and 12. Okay, so 2 and 12. 2 becomes 12. Okay, so we multiplied 2 by a number so that it becomes 12. So we multiply it by 6, right?
Right.
So here we multiplied by 6. Then this means we divide the other term by 6. Okay, so 5 multiplied by 6, it will be 30. 36 divided by 6, so it will equal 6. 8 multiplied by 6, 48. 60 divided by 6, it's 10. Finished. Is it okay?
Yes.
Okay, great. Then the next one. The next one, the first number 3, and then 2, then 9, and then 15, and 24. Okay. And here 8, and then 12. Okay. So now it was 3, and we multiplied it by a number, it becomes 2. Okay, so this means how to get this number. It was 3, and then we multiply it by a number, so it equal 2. Okay, so this means it was multiplied by 2 over 3. Okay, how can I get the number from the bottom here? It's 2 over 3. Just flip the number. Okay, just flip the number. It's a 3 over 2, so we multiply it by 2 over 3. Okay, so here we multiply it by 2 over 3. So this means we divide by 2 over 3. So now 3 times 2 over 3 equals 2. 9 times 2 over 3 equals 6. 9 times 2 over 3, it will equal 18 over 3, which is equal 6. Okay, now 8 divided by 8 by 2 over 3. How to divide 8 by 2 over 3? You can simply get it using the calculator, or 8 divided by 2 over 3. We said that before. In this case, we have to change the division into
Second one.
multiplication and flip the number. So multiply it by 3 over 2. So it will equal 24 over 2. So it will equal 12. So this number will be 12. Okay? Or otherwise, you can use the calculator to get it.
Sir,
Yes?
uh, uh, can you repeat?
Yes, sure. In this case, if we are going to divide 8 by 2 over 3, when we divide by a fraction, so this means we will convert the division into multiplication and just flip the number. Okay, so it was 2 over 3, make it 3 over 2, and then multiply. 8 times the 3 equals 24. And here, of course, 8 over 1. So 1 times 2 means 2. So 24 over 2 equals 12. Now it's clear?
Yes.
Okay, great. Then the next number, it's 15. 15 times 2 over 3, like this. 15 times 2 over 3. So it will equal 30 over 3, which is equal 10. Now, 12 divided by 2 over 3. Okay, again, the division. So let me clear this part on the board. It's 12 divided by 2 over 3. We said that it will equal 12. Then convert from division into multiplication and flip the number. 3 over 2. So it will equal 36 over 2, which will equal 18. Okay, so this number is 18. Now the next one, 24 times 2 over 3. So 24 times 2 over 3. So it will equal 16. Now this one is clear?
Yes.
Okay, great. Okay, the next question, question number 2 in the exercise. Now the table becomes with a little difference, okay, in its shape, like this. It becomes like two vertical rectangles like this. It's divided into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And another one is here. Also 5 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now this one is number 4, and here 6, and here 10. And on the other side, it's 16 and 4. And then the last one, it's 64. Here we are multiplying by a number to get this one. And here we dividing by a number. Here also dividing by a number to get this one, according to the arrow direction. Okay, so now here 4 multiplied by a number so that it becomes 16. So this means it's 16 divided by 4. So this means 4. So we multiply by 4. So this means we are dividing also by 4. Right? We said that on the two sides, the number is the same. Okay? Just to follow the arrow direction. Okay. So this one, 4. Okay, so 4 divided by 4 because it becomes like this. So 4 divided by 4 equal 1. 6 multiplied by 4, so it will be 24. 10 multiplied, so all the terms on the right, we will multiply it. All the terms on the left, we will divide it. Okay, so 10 multiplied by 4 means 40. 64 divided by 4 equals 16. Okay,
Okay.
so is it clear?
Yes.
Hmm? Is it
Okay.
clear or not?
Yes, it's clear.
Okay, let's solve more like this. I will clear the numbers and then add new numbers. If it's like this one, 6 and 15 and 14, and here 15, 20, and then 30. Okay, so now I will only change the direction of the arrow like this. Okay, so now 6 and 15. Now 6 was multiplied by a number, so it becomes 15. Okay, how to get this one? Actually, just we will use the other side. 15 divided by a number, so it becomes 6. Okay, so simply here, we will use this number, which is 15 over 6, right? So divided by 15 over 6. Okay,
What
so
is number?
15 over 6 means we will simplify it, so it will becomes 5 over 3.
5. Okay.
Just 1 second to make sure. 15 over 6. So yes, 15 over 6. Now we will divide it by 3. So 15 divided by 3 equal 5, and 6 divided by 3, 2. Sorry. So 5 over 2. Okay. Now we will divide by 5 over 2. So this means we will multiply by 5 over 2. Now is it clear?
You understand how we get it?
Okay. So now this number is 20.
Okay.
It's divided by 5 over 2. So 20 divided by 5 over 2. Just use the calculator to get it. It's very easy. Otherwise, 20 times 2 over 5. So 40 over 5. So it will equal 8.
8.
Here, 15 multiplied by 5 over 2. So 15 multiplied by 5 means 75 over 2 means 37.5, I guess. Check it using the calculator. 15 times 5 over 2. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Then now 30. This one is multiplied or divided. Actually, it will be divided. Okay? So 30 divided by 5 over 2. So this means 30 multiplied by 2 over 5. Okay? So 30 times 2 means 60 over 5. So 12.
Equal 12.
Yes, exactly. You can check it by the calculator. Here, the last number, 14. Okay, it's multiplied by 5 over 2. So 14 multiplied by 5 over 2, it will equal 35. Okay,
Okay.
is it clear?
Yes.
Okay, the next question. There is a table like this one. Here, the weight of apples in kilograms, and here the price. 1, then 2, then 4, then 40, then 48. Here in this question, if the price of 1 kilogram of apples is 8 pounds, 8 pounds per kilogram. Okay? Complete the following table. Okay, so now we are going to multiply by a number and then we will divide also by a number. Here in this question, 1 kilogram equals 8 pounds. So we will, to get the price, we are going to multiply the number of kilograms by 8, of course, right? So this means we are going to divide the other side by 8. So it's a very simple. 1 kilogram times 8 means 8. 2 times 8, 16. 4 times 8, 32. Then 40 divided by 8 means 5. 48 divided by 8 means
6.
6. That's very simple. Okay?
Okay.
Is it clear?
Yes.
We said that the price of 1 kilogram is 8 pounds. So here we will multiply by 8 and here we will divide by 8. Okay, so 1 times 8 equals 8. 2 times 8 equals 16. 4 times 8 equals 32. Then this 40 we will divide it by 8, so it will becomes 5. 48 divided by 8, so it will be 6. Okay, so this one is clear?
Yes.
Okay, great. Then, actually, we finished the first lesson, which is it was about the meaning of proportion.